Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Randolph County, Cleburne County, northeastern Clay County, until 2:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:56 a.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Jacksonville State University to near Oxford Lake to near Waldo, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Heflin, Branburn, Fruithurst, Edwardsville, Woodland, Morrison Crossroads, Barfield, Corinth, Muscadine, Abernathy, Foster's Crossroads, Delta, Mars Hills, Mount Cheaha, Graham, Newell, Tolman Lake and Campground, Trickham, Lake Cleburne, and Liberty Hill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Alabama: Clay, Cleburne, and Randolph.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.